Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming series. In today, we're going to solve SkillRack daily challenge. That is, sum of k consecutive integers. We begin by including the necessary header file. Declaring variables n, number of elements, k, consecutive integers, and an array, arr, to store the input sequence. Using scanf to read the value of n representing the count of integers in the sequence. Then, we read the sequence of integers one by one and store them in the array arr. Using scanf again to read the value of k, which represents the number of consecutive integers for which we need to find the sum. We iterate through the sequence to calculate the sum of every possible set of k consecutive integers. The outer loop, for loop, runs from index 0 to n-k, considering each possible starting position for the consecutive integers. Within this loop, there's an inner loop that calculates the sum plus equals arr, j, of k consecutive integers starting from the current position I. After each inner loop completes, it prints the sum of that set of k consecutive integers. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.